Hello friends. Now I show the functionality of the alert sequence. As I told you already, alert sequence or any other escape sequence should be written as a string of the printf statement. You should not write it independently. If you write it independently as a independent element, it leads to error. That point you have to understand. That's why in this program I have written 5 printf statements. In each printf statement I have written alert sequences. First one 1, second one 3, like that I have written. Actually, if you want to test its functionality, 1 is enough. A beep sound for a fraction of a second, it is delivered. It is delivered. But if you want longer means it is a matter of seconds only. You can write a number of alert sequences. Apart from that, I have written horizontal tab also. I will explain the functionality of horizontal tab the next concept. Here, why I have inserted in between the beep sound to beep sound, some gap is given, then you can identify it clearly. That's why I have written that. If you remove that also, there is no problem. You may write one or more. If your system is connected to a speaker, then only you can hear. Otherwise, you cannot hear this. And whenever you want to produce alert beep sound in your program, then you can write this alert sequence in a printf statement. Already I gave you example. What is the purpose of creating beep sound? In bank ATM, you experience that. In several missions also, it is used. Such type of situation you face and you require that, you can use the alert sequence in your program.